Bitter Kola, which is also spelled as bitter kola and called Garcinia kola or Africa wondernut, is a plant found in Central and Western Africa. The nut comes from the evergreen kola tree, which is found in the rainforests of Africa. Inside the tree's star-shaped fruits are white shells, which contain seeds or kola nuts. This special African nut is said to be under a species of flowering plants belonging to the family Gotiferae and grows in coastal rainforests, particularly in the southwestern and southeastern parts of Nigeria. In Nigeria, it is an important cultural symbol for many ethnic groups. It is given to guests at weddings, funerals, and naming ceremonies, and it is used in medicine. Bitter kola is an essential nut offered in almost all the gatherings in the eastern part of Nigeria. In terms of taste, the plant is well named. The edible seeds have a notably bitter taste, while there is also a slight sweetness to them. When consumed, bitter kola offers many nutrients, and studies have shown that the plant is high in carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, iron, and caffeine. Also, it is a special nut that has long been valued for its effective medicinal properties. It has also been reported that this wonder nut has amazing health benefits. Continue watching this video to find out. Incredible health benefits of bitter kola. Inasmuch as bitter kola has been eaten in Africa for years, scientists are just beginning to study the health benefits of this flowering plant. According to the studies carried, bitter kola has tackled the following health problems. 1. Infections. Bitter kola has been used over the years to fight infections from the common cold to hepatitis. A study revealed that bitter kola can help fight coughs, bacterial infections, and viral infections. Eating bitter kola when an infection at the infection and make you feel better more quickly. 2. Relief. Bitter kola is used for short-term relief of fatigue, depression, chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, melancholy, lack of normal muscle tone, atony, exhaustion, dysentery, a type of diarrhea called atonic diarrhea, weight loss, and migraine headaches. 3. Migraines. Bitter kola is helpful for people who have migraine headaches. Migraines often affect the blood vessels in the head, and caffeine has been used for headache pain. The theobromine and caffeine contained in the nut dilate or widen blood vessels in the brain, which decreases migraine pain. 4. Aphrodisiac. Traditional medicine considers bitter kola to be an aphrodisiac, so it's believed to increase sexual desire, pleasure, and performance. With these qualities in mind, why not try some bitter kola to help turbocharge your sex life? 5. Antimalarial agent. Bitter kola contains the antioxidant colavirin, according to research. Traditional healers have for many years prescribed bitter kola for the treatment of malaria infections, and now scientific studies are starting to support their beliefs. Bitter kola is believed to have chemical properties that allow it to be an antimalarial catalyst. It contains colavirin, which is a natural antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory phytochemicals, which has high antimalarial properties. 6. Helps to fight glaucoma. Glaucoma is a condition of increased pressure within the eyeball, causing a gradual loss of sight, and can result in permanent blindness if left untreated. A recent study showed that bitter kola is useful for reducing the pressure in the eye for newly diagnosed patients and is as effective as more conventional treatments. It is vital to note that you follow professional medical advice. 7. Remedy for osteoarthritis. With symptoms ranging from uncomfortable to debilitating, osteoarthritis is a common form of arthritis. It's characterized by the degeneration of joint cartilage and the underlying bone, causing pain and stiffness, especially in the hip, knee, and thumb joints. The causes of osteoarthritis can include joint injury, obesity, aging, as well as hereditary factors. Some researchers recently tested bitter kola on the symptoms of osteoarthritis and concluded that bitter kola significantly reduced the inflammation and pain associated with the condition. The plant also increased joint movement in patients. 8. Fights antibacteria. A recently published Science Journal of Microbiology has shown that both the bitter kola seeds and leaves have antibacterial properties. Bitter Kola was tested against Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pyogenes, Salmonella typhi, and Escherichia coli, and the plant was able to inhibit these microorganisms. The antibacterial activity was found to be due to the presence of bioactive components in the extract such as tannin and saponins. 9. Improves lung function. Results from research conducted in conjunction with several Nigerian universities showed that bitter kola has a positive effect on the lungs and can improve ventilation levels. Extracts of the plant have also been studied about asthma, and there is the suggestion that bitter kola may have some protective effects against respiratory disorder. 10. Improves the immune system. Bitter kola has a high concentration of antioxidants, which is a term for any compound that counteracts free radicals. While environmental stressors such as tobacco smoke, ultraviolet rays, and air pollution cause free radical production, they are also produced by many normal processes in the body, including exercise and our immune response. Free radicals damage DNA, cell membranes, and other parts of cells. So, as well as being essential assistants for important functions in the body, antioxidants also support the immune system. With a strong immune system, we are better able to fight disease and stay healthy. 11. Weight loss. Bitter kola is known for being a natural hunger suppressant and a great thirst stimulant, and as such, helps to reduce weight loss, as a reduced intake of food and a large intake of water is needed by the body to get rid of excess fat and stay healthy. 12. Diabetes. The seeds of bitter kola are believed to possess the ability to lower blood glucose, which makes it a potential treatment for diabetes mellitus. 13. Helps strengthen expectant mothers. Helps in combating nausea and vomiting, making the uterus healthier, supplies strength to the expectant mother, and normalizes circulation of blood also. Having been informed of the tremendous health benefits of bitter kola, you may be curious to know what part of this nut works best and how you can prepare it. Well, I am here to inform you that all parts of the bitter plant have medicinal benefits, but for the most efficient results, it is advised that the nuts should be eaten raw. In conclusion, bitter kola has been used in traditional African medicine for centuries and is considered to have many beneficial properties, including being able to help fight bacterial and viral infections. In foods and beverages, bitter kola is used as a flavoring ingredient. Also, the seeds, nuts, and bark have been and are still being used to treat varying ailments. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please take a quick like and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching!